the right of information, you protect that right and allow us to use it. And we are seeking for redress of grievance of the abuses of government. Huwag na lang yung dalawang babae na inaano nila. Karaming sabi, ganon, tantrum. Hysterical yun, hindi yun ano. Eh, kung ikaw may kasama ka na worker mo, nag-delirium na, what are you supposed to do? Ako sa isang tanong na, Mr. Military, give us that right. The right of information that is true and correct, the right of redress of grievance, and the right to protect us.
To be short of challenging Browner na. To be short of challenging Browner na.
Wala akong tina-challenge. I don't have to challenge to anybody. I'm challenged to the military itself. The whole of the military, kasi sila ang supposed to be protector of the Constitution. Now tell me, kung protector sila ng Constitution, are they willing to still protect the president who is a drug addict for another 4 years? At kung sabihin mo hindi nila alam, Pinas, guys, follow the president, start smoking marijuana and graduate sa Cebu. Yung presidente ganon, the best example is ganon.
But people are looking up to you as a patriot and nationalist. Ikaw yung
And people looking at me because that president is silent. Kita mo lang siyang ginawa. Dapat at first stage pa ng laalitan, sandali. Hindi naman dumaan estudyante yan eh. Yan si Sulaika, anak ni Joe Lopez yan. Sigma Rowan. So marami yan siyang ano dyan.
People are saying, pag muhing mo si Tatay Digong, alsaming tanan. So, how do you react to all this?
Ayaw ko kasi presidente ako. Once upon a time, I was president. Now, I could just imagine what will happen to my country if things go awry. Ganyan na. So, hindi manggaling sa akin.
It's been sorry.
Kung ang tao na mayor ang pupunta at mag-alsa.
So, I will take my cue from the military. Kung sabihan nila na they will take this step, I will support it. Sige, Mayor, samahan mo kami, magpunta tayo doon sa tignan nating records. We will ask. Tapos ganun. I will follow.
As the former president, do you see the repeat of history?
No. Leave me out. Ako basta kung may mga ganong uprising, sinabi ko na sa kanila, I'm out. Wala akong participation.
But will you not...
No, nothing.
To enjoy, just to...
No, nothing.
You're just airing out as a citizen. Mayor,
I mean,
to enjoy them to opt out.
what?
To opt out from supporting what you said was Durog is the president. Are you not going to enjoin them to opt out?
That's civilian na ako. I have no authority to order
No, not
them to
order, but just to enjoin them or
and I am not enjoining them. I am not telling them anything. Ito lang ang tanong ko sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict? Yes, about 4 years. Tayo magsabi, yes sir, we are a loyalist bunch of well, sabihin ko sa Pilipino, taga Davao, oo. Sabi nitong mga military natin, okay daw. Ang critical dyan is alam nila na durugista si Presidente. Hindi nila, tanungin lang nila yung kaya isang kita mo kung hindi bangag may isang gwardiya dyan sa Presidential Guard nag-suicide, minumura, if you can tap the fingers and saying, iho, huwag ka na masyado matulog, kunti na lang panahon. Ano kung ako yun, isin mo, huwag ka muna tulog, kape ka lang, murahe mo, kaya puta napahiya, sundalo na pagkamatay.
Meron din na ang Colonel Mayor na
nabaril sa argument yun. Ito ang argument about the present situation. I do not know whose side was the Colonel
Mayor, yung PSG
was with.
Mayor, what happened pala sa PSG na nag-suicide?
Colonel, hindi man nagsuicide yun.
Yung PSG
Yung PSG nagsuicide talaga. Minura niya ni Mrs. Marcos.
kailan yan, Mayor?
Kailan Mayor?
Bago lang.
Natago ba nila?
Siguro mga 2 months pa lang ako na umalis.
Mayor, may ano dito paas daw, paano mag-react si Browner kasi ang sister doon ni Browner ay na-appoint ng Court of Appeals.
So, Browner is a non-reactive soldier.
Mayor, going back, what
Alam mo, depende yan kang Browner. How he looks at the... Kung pabor siya sa bayan at alam niya, he would insist na matino, wala man tayong magawa. That is his view. Now, for the others...
Mayor, from these happenings po, as a former president, how will you help your people from these sufferings?
Again, ma'am?
As a former president, how will you help your people from these sufferings?
Suffering? Ma'am, sinasabi ko na ngayon, there is a fracture. There's a fracture now in the governance of Marcos. It cannot be remedied. There is no relief in sight. It is only the military who can correct it. How? I do not know.
But how if
Sila man yung protector ng konstitusyon. So, bahala sila.
what if the military will not do something, sir?
Di palakpakin. Let us applaud the military. We applaud the military for doing nothing.
do you think, Mayor, takot sila?
Well, we'll clap our hands and say that the military is takot. Yes, sinabi mo eh.
Hindi po ba sila nabusalan?
Hindi ko sinabi yan. Ikaw ang nagsabi.
What is the worst manifestation?
Siya yan, oh. Hindi ako.
What is the worst manifestation or element of silent martial law that you can now see in this government?
Hindi naman talaga martial law because martial law is something like
Silent martial law.
martial law is a military takeover. mayroon akong i-suggest. Itong fracture na ito, mabigat to. Because ang nasa taas sa Congress, tambaloslos, pati ang presidente, they're now trying to be in cahoots. They would attempt to change the constitution. Diyan na magulo dyan talaga dyan. And to make Martin from speaker mag-transition to si Martin mag-transition to speaker to
Prime Minister.
the parliamentary prime minister under STP. Ceremonial president na lang si Marcos.
Sir, what's your reaction for the possibility of no L next year? No election. Possibility.
It can be possible. Wala tayong yung cards wala sa Pilipino. It's in the card. The cards is being held by Martin Romualdez and President Marcos.
Mayor, bakit drugs na issue na kuan po ni PNP Chief Marvin na nagpagawa siya statement before nga ang mga drug users daw kaya dili addict. Unsa po'y comment na to ani?
Nagagamit lang daw para mag-overtime.
Nagagamit lang daw para mag-overtime or extend ang ilahang oras sa pagpanarbaho. From the PNP Chief mismo.
Ang nagagamit
daw og drugs kay dili daw addict. Nagagamit lang daw sila labi na daw sa mga trabahante para lang daw i-extend ang ilahang oras sa pagpanarbaho.
Maganda yan. Maganda yan. So, what is an addict? And what is not an addict? An addict who uses shabu and continues to hit, inom. But the other kind of addict is trabaho, hit, para hindi makatulog, hit. Tapos at the end of the day, siya ang kakainin ng makinarya niya. Kasi sabog na siya. Siya na yung papasok doon sa oil mill o sa furnace.
But Mayor, would it help if one person there, like si Martin Romualdez, would give up on his dream on becoming president in 2028?
Wala na. I don't think so.
Wala nang pag-asa.
Wala nang ano. Ngayon, mayroon akong suggestion sa military. Pero hindi ko muna bitawan dito. After I shall have talked to the military, magpunta man ako ng Maynila, I'll be frank with them, ilagtan ko yung baraha, pareho rin dito, pero much more, dalhin ko yung mga tao na ganito ang nangyari sa pera natin, pati itong gold reserve natin. Ilan na ba ang dollar piso nga?
59.
So may plano kayo Mayor na puntahan ang
25 tons.
magpunta ng Camp Aguinaldo? Meron kayong plano? Naka-schedule na ba?
Ako?
Opo.
Hindi ako magpunta ng...
Yung sabi mo kausapin mo.
Military.
Sa ibang lugar. Hindi doon. Pero hindi rin tago. Yung freewheeling discussion para sabihin nila nagaplano ka ng kudita o rebellion. Ayaw ko yan eh. Kasi naging presidente nga ako.
But you are optimistic na the military will talk or meet you?
Ayaw ko rin kung yung gusto lang. Yung kita ko na who share my same. Kasi ako hindi naman nag-agitate talaga ng forcible removal.
Pero wala pang schedule kayo?
Kailan, sir?
Wala ako, malapit na. I don't know kailan walis.
Would you have an appointment with General Bronner about this and talk man to man about this issue sa kanya?
The general,
Browner.
ano, it's useless. It's useless. He cannot talk for himself.
So, ibang general, sir.
Hindi rin. Dito ako sa baba. Might as well talk to the Lieutenant Colonels.
The ground commander.
Lieutenant Colonel